Welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll explore the world of beard growth products and how they can help you achieve the luscious, full beard you've always wanted. We'll focus on two key products, Derma rollers and minoxidil. That is the combo I have used to get the results you see here in just 3 months. Many dream of a thick and full beard, and with the right products, that dream can become a reality. Let's begin with Derma rollers and their role in promoting beard growth. What is a Derma roller? A Derma roller is a handheld device with tiny needles that creates micro-injuries in the skin. How it works. When used on your face, it stimulates blood flow and collagen production, which can lead to improved beard growth. Using a Derma roller for beard growth requires a specific technique. Clean your skin. Ensure your skin is clean and free from any oils or creams. Roll gently. Roll the Derma roller in different directions over the beard area, applying minimal pressure. Apply minoxidil. For better results, consider combining Derma rolling with minoxidil. Now, let's discuss minoxidil and its effectiveness in promoting beard growth. Minoxidil is an over-the-counter topical solution or foam that stimulates hair follicles. How it works. When applied to your beard area, it can lengthen the growth phase of your hair follicles, resulting in a thicker beard. To use minoxidil effectively for beard growth. Apply twice daily. Apply minoxidil to your beard area twice a day, preferably morning and night. Be patient. Results may take a few months, so be patient and consistent with the application. In conclusion, beard growth products like Derma rollers and minoxidil can be your allies in achieving the full, thick beard you desire. With the right techniques and patience, you can unlock your full beard potential. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more grooming and beauty tips. Stay tuned for my next video.